Time now is 8:19 on this Wednesday morning. A bit of cloud cover here in Spokane. It was a lot sunnier elsewhere across the inland northwest, but our major headlines are going to be on the spring-like rain, perhaps another chance at some spring-like thunderstorms for tomorrow as well. So a lot of focus on that, but if you're looking ahead towards the weekend, no worries there. The weekend is looking fantastic weather-wise overall. As for today, temperature-wise, pretty okay for April standards. Looking at mid-50s pretty much across the inland northwest, with cloud cover starting to come back into the area by the afternoon. And I say come back in because here in Spokane we started with some clouds. We might get some sun, and then here comes the clouds yet again. Storm system really starting to again kind of retake shape because it got cut off from the main low pressure area. So second area development just cropping up as of the morning hours here, and that's going to push that rain into the region by the evening hours tonight. As early as 5 o'clock, especially for central Washington at first. I think for Spokane and Coeur d'Alene, looking at somewhere closer to 8 o'clock for that onset for rainfall, with the heaviest falling around 10 o'clock for tonight. So most of the heavy rain before the midnight hour. You see the red and the orange shades on the model here indicating the heaviest rainfall that we'll see out of this push of that cold front that moves through. But the scattered showers linger for quite some time after that as well. This is 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. More scattered showers could even be widespread and steady in a few locations as well. So I think it will very much be a wet night and a wet morning for tomorrow. As for the daytime hours on Thursday, this is where we get that situation where we see that sunshine during the afternoon hours, which looks great on the model, but the model underplays how much scattered shower activity is probably going to pop up, especially near the terrain regions of northern Washington, northeastern Washington, and North Idaho. This will look a lot like it did yesterday, where the afternoon hours you start to see those cumulus clouds really start to darken, and some of them will start to precipitate. I think that's what we'll see for Thursday afternoon, but the bulk of the rain will really fall between tonight and tomorrow morning. If you're able to get outside and maybe do a little bit of bloomsday training, as I will, really any time before the evening hours before sunset, you're looking A-OK for today. As for tomorrow, again, the morning hours probably wet, just dodging a couple showers for the afternoon. Friday and the weekend, a whole lot better. Dry conditions, afternoon temperatures well into the 50s on Friday, hitting the 60s for both days this weekend. Finally above average temperature-wise for the first time in what seems like, I think, 2 weeks. Remember, last week was super cold for us. 61, 63, 64 for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, respectively. Finally above average temperature-wise, maybe up to 5 degrees. So obviously could do a lot warmer, but we will take it for this weekend because that is just about as nice as I can draw it up for quite some time. Mostly sunny conditions, calm winds, temps in the 60s. Yeah, the weekend, A+ for sure. Just tracking rain for tonight and into tomorrow morning with a small chance for a straight thunderstorm tomorrow afternoon.